What are the 5 things to keep in mind to use ONet as a blogging platform? Unleash your creativity by starting your own blog on ONet. ONPASSIVE product ONet is the latest social media platform by ONPASSIVE. It is an AI-powered platform with a blogging feature that allows users to create and manage blogs. Here are 5 things to keep in mind when using ONet as a blogging platform. 1. SEO optimization. ONet uses AI technology to analyze your content and optimize it for search engines. This means that your blog will be more likely to rank higher in search engine results, making it easier for readers to find you. Additionally, ONet offers a range of tools to help you optimize your blog for SEO, including keyword research, meta tags, and more. 2. Personalization. ONet allows you to personalize your blog to fit your brand and style. This includes customizing the layout, design, and functionality of your blog. Additionally, ONet offers a range of templates and themes to choose from, making it easy to create a unique and professional-looking blog. 3. Social media integration. ONet makes it easy to share your blog posts on social media. The platform allows you to connect your social media accounts, including Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and automatically share your new posts to these platforms. This feature helps you to increase your reach and engagement with your readers. 4. Analytic and performance tracking. ONet offers a range of analytics and performance tracking tools to help you understand how your blog is performing. You can track your traffic, engagement, and social media reach and get insights into your readers' behavior. This information can help you to make data-driven decisions about your blog content and strategy. 5. Collaboration and community building. ONet has a built-in community feature that allows you to connect with other bloggers and readers. This feature can help you build a community around your blog, increasing engagement and loyalty among your readers. Additionally, ONet allows multiple authors to collaborate on a blog, which can be very helpful for businesses and groups. Know more detail ONet, please visit website www.onpassive.com.
Thanks for watching this video.